Good morning, ma'am. So this morning, I will discuss the topic about the nervous system of manta ray, the muscular, and the renal system of manta ray. So, what is the muscular system of manta ray? So, muscular system is a complex network of muscles that enable movement, maintain posture, and circulate blood throughout the body. So when we say muscular system is a network of muscles. So here are the three types of muscles. So we have skeletal muscles, cardiac muscles, and smooth muscles. So, skeletal muscles are attached to bone and are responsible for voluntary movement. So, when we say skeletal muscles, amo na siya ang naka-attach siya sa bone sang manta ray. So, amo ni sa ang muscles nga responsible for voluntary movement. So, next, cardiac muscles. So, cardiac muscles make up the heart and are responsible for pumping blood. So, when we say cardiac is a heart. So, amo ni sa ang muscles nga ara sa heart nga responsible for pumping blood of manta ray. So, next, the smooth muscles. So, smooth muscles are found in the walls of internal organs and are responsible for involuntary movement. So, when we say smooth muscles is makita ini naton siya sa internal organ. So, makita naton siya sa digestive system of manta ray. So, ini nga muscles is responsible for involuntary movement. So, second, the nervous system. Nervous system of manta ray is a complex network of nerve and cells that transmit signals between different parts of the body. So, when you say nervous system, is a complex network of nerve and cells that transmit signal between different parts of the body of manta ray. So, here are two main parts of nervous system. So, we have central nervous system or CNS and peripheral nervous system or PNS. So, what is the central nervous system? So, central nervous system or CNS is consists of the brain and spinal cord, which work together to process informations and control the body functions. So, when you say central nervous system is ga-consist sa sang brain and spinal cord. So, ang brain kag spinal cord amo na saang ga-process sang information or network nga gahatag sang information to control the body functions of manta ray. So, next, the peripheral nervous system. So, peripheral nervous system or PNS of manta ray is a network of nerve that connect the central nervous system o CNS to the rest of the body. So, when we say PNS o peripheral nervous system, amo na sa ang mga nerve nga nakakonect sa CNS. So, ang CNS is consists of the brain and spinal cord. So, ang brain kag spinal cord ang mga gahatag sang information to control the body of control the body functions of manta ray. So, amo na sa ang spinal cord kag brain nga gahatag information pakadto sa nerve sang lawas sang manta ray. So, third is the renal system of manta ray. So, what is the renal system? So, it's responsible for filtering waste and excess water from the blood and regulating the body fluid balance. So, renal system is consists of two kidneys. So, may two kidneys ang manta ray. So, kidneys of manta ray which filter the blood and produce urine, and the ureter's bladder and urethra which transport and store urine until the eliminate from the body. So, kidneys of manta ray is ga-filter siya sang blood kag higgo nga ara sa lawas sang manta ray. kaga-produce sa sang urine. So, that's all my report. Thank you.